Okay guys, welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. I quickly want to do this. It's keeping my mind, but another person has messaged me again. I've gotten four messages, I think four or three messages on saying someone said they should use when they are generating their profile code, they should use user and their name. Please do not do this. That is not what JAMB instructed. So when these people did it, when they went to register, they could not generate EPIN. Are you saying that? And the CBT center is saying they should go and convert from user to candidate. Why would CBT, the CBT centers, they are already very, the pressure is on them, so they can't even listen to you. And they are coming to me how to convert user to. I'm not JAMB. I can't do. I don't even know that one. It's just now I noticed that exists. Are you with me? So I don't know who is spreading that information. Send in generating your profile code, put user, then put your name. No, it is your name. You put capital letter name, then your numbers. That's what JAMB said. Please do not do that. I don't know who is spreading that. I think someone said he read it from a blog. Another person said he went somewhere and they told her. Please, there's no solution for that. And before any CBT center person will even sit down, because of the pressure and the traffic on them now to register students, to treat your matter, I don't know. So, but I will just keep my ears open and try to look for a solution to that. But right now, I don't have a solution to that. User, it won't be able to generate your EPIN. Like if I want to generate your EPIN for you, which we sell EPIN, you can contact DTW if you want to purchase your JAMB registration form EPIN, all right, which enables you to register. All right, there's a difference between the form and EPIN. EPIN is what enables you to register. The form is just a paper template, which is on the DTW groups, okay, which you can download and just do it yourself. It's free. It is not what is for sale. It's EPIN that is for sale. I repeat again. All right, and you can contact us, WhatsApp us, and we shall generate your EPIN for you, and you take that EPIN and your profile code to go do your registration. For those that use that user, that we can't vend pins for you. Okay, I'm still trying to figure out what that user even means. Is it, I don't know. I don't even know what the user means, and I don't know where this information is coming from. Please help me share this video. Anyone is saying user, it is wrong. It is wrong, and you will not be able to generate. It will give you a profile code. When you use that user, it will give you a profile code, but that profile code, you cannot generate EPIN with it, which is what you use to register for your JAMB. Are you with me? So if you were already in that problem, what you do is go to JAMB office. That's it. And please, if you go to JAMB office and you find a solution, please you can drop your solution in this in the comment section, so it can help someone else. All right, so please let us share this video and inform anyone. To generate profile code, do not put user in front. It is name, capital letter NIN, then your name numbers, your 11 name numbers, and send to 55019 or 66019. Okay, please, let's be informed. And please, if you've been sharing that user, please don't do that again. I beg you, because I just hope there's a solution for these guys that have done this and they can't generate a pin. I just hope there's a solution quickly for them, so they don't just miss this whole year again. All right, so thank you from DTW tutorials. Yes, our online classes starts by 6 in 1 hour time. We have online classes live, Google Meet. You see your teacher. So many testimonies. In fact, I have to even gather them. The students that join us this February, they are like, wow, we are so happy. We are getting it, loving all their teachers, their science teachers, government teachers, So come join us. As I said, we are starting our syllabus again from the beginning in our WhatsApp brainstorming session. So it's a double dose we are giving you guys at 7,000 naira monthly. So cheap. All right, double dose. Apart from your live online classes on the WhatsApp, we are doing also brainstorming sessions, classes on the WhatsApp. All right, so you finish that by 9 p.m. By 10 p.m. you start. We even have some WhatsApp brainstorming sessions 6 a.m. at night. It is time to study. Stand up. Just put your energy into it. It's 3 months. In 3 months, all this will be done. Forget social media, forget Netflix, forget everything. 3 months, just dedicate 3 months just to get your high score and enter into school. Are you with me? And also, when you join us, we give you access to all the old videos, the class recordings from November, so you can watch them, study, and all that. And I always advise people get the DTW JAMB CBT app. It contains all your past questions, your digital past questions and answer. Get it and study. As you're studying, you are practicing on the go. All right. So please, thank you. You are destined to win. You can do it. I just said I should do this video quickly, not dressed well, because it has been skipping my mind, but someone just sent a message on that same problem. Yes, if you're having profile code issue, you can retrieve, you can message me. All right, my details, WhatsApp details is there. Message me, I'll try to help you out. All right. I've also done a video on how to generate profile code. I've done a video on 7 profile code issues and how to resolve it. Watch those videos. All right, it would help you before you come to me. All right, because the traffic to my WhatsApp now, it's as if I'm JAMB official. I think so. Profile code. It's a problem. Oh, so many people having profile code issues. Please, if you are registering this year, keep your profile code well. Keep the SIM card well. Keep your email and password well. In case you, God forbid, but if you want to write JAMB another year, next year, you won't have any issues. You get my point? So that's it. You are destined to win. Put in the effort. You can do it. 3 months. It's not late though. You can cover much and score high. It's just to dedicate your time. It's just to stay disciplined, stay focused on that your JVS. What's your JVS? Your JAMB vision score. All right. So if I don't do this video now, if I say I want to dress up, do this video, I might not do this video, but let me drop it. So please do not use user to generate your profile code. It is NIN, capital, 1 space, then your NIN number. All right, please share this video. You are blessed. You are destined to win. Okay, believe in yourself. You can do it. You will make it. All right, you will make it. Any voice speaking to you that I can't make it, I can't do it, it's coming, it's so close, I can't do it, silence it by saying I am destined to win, and just focus. Get the JAMB syllabus. Yes, we've created the 30 days DTW JAMB timetable syllabus. It's on our groups. Join our groups. You will see it there. Get it and just focus. The next 30 days, focus and finish the syllabus. Are you with me? Then you can add another 20 days, another more 20 days. Just plan your time. Get your strategy down. Get your recommended textbooks. Everything is in the DTW groups. Are you with me? There is still enough time for you to maximize and get a good score. Okay, so just join the DTW groups. All right, on WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook. The links are in my profile bio. I'll be sharing everything, updates, everything for you. Everything academic will be there. All right, so be and stay on the group. You are blessed. You are destined to win. You can make it. All right, take care.